Hi friends, this is Philippa Burgess and welcome to my channel. I am really looking forward to going through this Python course that is provided by Google through a Creative Commons license. Check out the link below to get access to this course, and we are going to do this together. And I will be here every day as we uh, work through this and answer questions and just talk about this process of learning Python. I found hundreds of other resources that I will also share as we go forward, but I think a big part of this is just creating community and motivation, inspiration, answering questions, and just moving through this together. So, very excited that you're here. Thank you for joining me, and let's do this. So, your next step, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and go ahead and click the link below to get access to this Google Python class. It is a 2-day internal class that they do that they've now offered to us. And so there's text, there's videos, there's exercises, and step by step, we will get through it and we'll either entirely learn a new skill or we'll get the opportunity to brush up and expand on what we already know and take it to the next level. So look forward to having you join me and let's do this.